This first app is one that I just recently discovered. This is Aloe Bud, your self-care pocket companion. Aloe Bud will send you gentle reminders to take care of yourself and your own needs. It will encourage you to take a break, drink water, move your body, rest, breathe, and more. I also love the overall aesthetic of the app and think that the icons are so cute. This next app is Reflectly. Reflectly is a personal mindfulness companion, and if you're someone who is always super busy and doesn't have time to sit down and journal, then this is definitely the app for you. It asks you daily questions, and the more you use the app, the more relevant the questions are to your life. You also get a mindful insight, and you can track your progress along the way. The next app on the list is Fabulous. This is a science-based app that will help you build healthy rituals into your life, creating routines and habits in many things such as increasing your energy levels, enjoying vibrant health, losing weight, and sleeping better. And I also really love the overall simplicity and look of this app. And one of my favorite features of this app is that you can create your own rituals for morning, afternoon, and night. This is another one of those apps that will send you reminders throughout the day to do certain activities. So here I'm just creating my afternoon ritual, which is to drink water, breathe, clean and tidy, and to usually start unwinding for the end of the day. The next stop on our list is Headspace. This app will teach you how to meditate and live mindfully. They have hundreds of themed sections from meditation to sleep, and if you're always someone who is super busy, then they have many guided meditation options to fit your busy schedule. Meditation will help you relieve stress, stay focused, and boost your compassion.
Now, if you haven't watched the introduction animation yet, you're probably going to want to start with that before we begin. And don't worry if you've never done anything like this before. This is a really straightforward technique, and I'm going to talk you through every step of the way. All you need to do is to sit back, relax, and allow the body and mind to unwind. And as you breathe out, just noticing how the muscles soften as the body exhales.
The last app on our list is Plant Nanny. Plant Nanny is a very unique way to drink more water. Enter in your weight and how active you are, and the app will remind you to drink water throughout the day based on what you entered. Plant cute virtual plants, and every time you drink water, your plant also gets watered and grows. You can also choose and unlock different plants and backgrounds, and you can also choose unique names for each of your plants. I am definitely someone who forgets to drink water throughout the day, so this app sends me little reminders throughout the day, and it's really convenient and definitely keeps me hydrated.